In Boca Raton, the need for swift water damage restoration tips is critical, especially when facing the threat of mold. Our expert contractors are here to guide you through the process, ensuring your property returns to its pre-damage glory efficiently and effectively. Frequently asked questions and associated tips are key to navigating water damage restoration. Here are 3 vital ones to consider. FAQ 1. How quickly should I address water damage to prevent mold? Here's the next tip. Time is of the essence. Mold can begin to grow within 24 to 48 hours of water exposure. Promptly contact a restoration service to minimize damage and mold proliferation. **FA. Our next frequently asked question is, what should I look for in a water damage restoration contractor? Next tip, research is crucial. Seek a reputable Boca Raton company with a track record of success. Experienced contractors with specialized equipment are paramount for thorough restoration. FAQ 3. Can I handle mold removal myself? DIY approaches are risky. Mold removal requires professional expertise to ensure it's done safely and effectively. Trust a seasoned contractor to protect your health and property. Incorporating these water damage restoration tips will help safeguard your home or business from further damage and costly repairs. As you navigate the complexities of water damage and mold, remember that our Boca Raton team stands ready to provide exceptional service. With our specialized equipment and expertise, we're committed to restoring your property swiftly. For the final essential water damage restoration tip, don't delay. Call us at 561-202-2304 for a strong, proactive response. Let's tackle the restoration together, ensuring your space is safe, clean, and mold-free.